6, 2022. 1. Which Union Ministry launched the Scheme for Residential Education for Students in High Schools in Targeted Areas, Shreshtha scheme?
Union Ministry launched the Scheme for Residential Education for Students in High Schools in Targeted Areas, Shreshtha scheme? A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Show answer. Correct answer A. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Notes: the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched Scheme for Residential Education for Students in High Schools in Targeted Areas, Shreshtha. It aims to provide quality education and opportunities for the poorest scheduled caste students. Under this scheme, a certain number of meritorious SC students per year will be selected through a national entrance test for Shreshtha NETs conducted by the National Testing Agency (NTA). They will be admitted in the good private residential schools affiliated to CBSE. 2. Ministry of Tourism launched the National Strategy for Sustainable Tourism, along with which organization? A. FAO. B. UNEP. C. World Bank. D. World Economic Forum. Show answer. Correct answer B. UNEP. Notes: Ministry of Tourism, in association with the United Environment Programme, UNEP, and Responsible Tourism Society of India, RTSOI, organized the National Summit on Developing Sustainable and Responsible Tourist Destinations in New Delhi. On this occasion, the Ministry of Tourism launched the National Strategy for Sustainable Tourism and the Responsible Traveller campaign. 3. What is the theme of the World Environment Day 2022? A. Invest in our planet. B. Only one Earth. C. 50th Environment Day. D. Live with the nature. Show answer. Correct answer B. Only one Earth. Notes: the World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 to raise awareness about degrading environmental conditions and environment protection. The United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, is the nodal agency that organizes and supports events across the world. The year 2022 marks the 50th World Environment Day. Sweden is the host of the event this year and the theme is Only One Earth. It was the motto for the 1972 Stockholm Conference. 4. Which state launched a special healthcare scheme called Anchal for pregnant women? A. Bihar. B. Rajasthan. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Himachal Pradesh. Show answer. Correct answer B. Rajasthan. Notes: Rajasthan launched a special healthcare scheme Anchal in the Karoli district for pregnant women. During the campaign, over 13,000 pregnant women were tested for their hemoglobin levels and are advised to take right medicines. Under this campaign, it is also ensured that the auxiliary nurse, midwife and ASHA workers in the district are in constant touch with the pregnant women of their respective areas. 5. What is the new rate of interest ratified by the government for the Employees Provident Fund (EPF) deposits for 2021-22 feet? A. 8. 7%. B. 8. 5%. C. 8. 1%. D. 7. 5%. Show answer. Correct answer C. 8. 1%. Notes: the government has approved 8.1% rate of interest on Employees Provident Fund (EPF) deposits for the year 2021-22, from 8.5% provided in the previous year. The EPF rate of interest is the lowest since 1977-78, when it stood at 8%. The Board of Trustees (CBT) and was ratified by the Finance Ministry 2021.